Okay, guys. So let's understand in this manner. So the first is there is something called AI, which is called artificial intelligence. Okay, just stands for. Now these all are divided in some different parts. So one is called machine learning, another is called NLP, another is called computer vision. Okay, and NLP, computer vision. Yeah, this is this three part only we can segregate. Another is robotics. You can make it robotics. Now, when we have this, so the machine learning, these algorithms are of two types. One is called supervised, and another is called unsupervised. So I will not go on this NLP and computer vision, but just Mhm. Okay, okay. So here the MLOps is again the advanced part. What does it mean by MLOps? Machine learning operations means once you are done with the machine learning part, now you have to perform how you have to create a pipeline, or you have to create a script. For a layman way, you need to understand, once you have done with the machine learning, once you prepared a machine learning model, you saved that model. Now how you can utilize this machine learning for the production ready application. Let's take a very raw example. Let us suppose you build a model which can forecast the stock price which can forecast. Now you build that model in your Python notebook, uh, in your local system, but how someone else can use that? So you have to deploy this model. You have to deploy this model on server or cloud. So once you deployed this model, it will give you the API, and that API now you can give it to anyone. They can use it. They can give the past history of the stock data, and it is going to forecast for the next 2 minutes or the 5 minutes or the 10 minutes what it could be. Right. So this is how the MLOps means. MLOps means once you are done with the machine learning part, you build the model with a good model or the better model or the best model. Now, how you can do the operations on that model means how you can prepare a application, how you can build an application, a production ready application. And when I'm saying MLOps, it could able to. This is not the only thing in the MLOps. There are lot many things in the MLOps we need to understand. So something one scenario, if I would tell, let us suppose you have built a model in 2020. Let's suppose you have built a model on 2020 on a stock price, uh, and when you build it after the corona came, let us suppose, now all the stock prices got, I mean the prices got very low. So now whatever the model you had built on the stock prices data in 2020, definitely those model will not work in the COVID time. So now your model will start performing very bad. Its performance will be decreased. So with the time, always the model performance got decreased because of the certain issue. This is one of the main issue, that with the time the scenarios got changed, or so something happened. So at that point of time, how would you handle? So the continuous training of the model is the next step. Means with the time you will have to always train your machine learning model. So this all includes in the MLOps pipeline. So those things we will see it slowly, that how we can do. Okay, so the MLOps, while doing a deployment, first we do it the local deployment, which we saw in the classes. Then we use the Docker, how we can containerize this, and then we will see that how we can do the this CI/CD pipeline, that how we can deploy the CI/CD pipeline. Okay, by and we will see how to use the Git for the versioning. Like, how would you understand? Let's suppose if you guys are working in a team, if you guys are working in a team and there are four members in the team, and one member build a ML model which is giving something 90% accuracy, and they have pushed this to the git. Okay, push this to the git. Now this member has also built a model, and this person has built the model. Now he also wants to push in the git. Now how would you understand whether this ML model is better or this ML model is better? Because your script is somewhere else. Let's suppose this person is in India, this person in USA, this is in Germany, this is in UK. So every time people will not go and see others script and something. So the git provides the git versioning according to the performance, according to the model performance. It will take the, and it will notify you that whichever is the best one it will take. So that is called the versioning of the model. So these are the multiple steps available in the MLOps, which we will see it very soon. So now let's focus on this part, which is very important to understand before the MLOps. So this is the AI, and we can categorize this AI algorithms in machine learning approaches, NLP approaches, computer vision, and the robotics. Machine learning algorithms are again subdivided into two parts: supervised and unsupervised. Now, usually, the 98% of the time, how is this now? So, 98% of the time, this machine learning algorithm we use for the tabular data. Tabular data. Now, what does it mean by tabular data? It's simple. If suppose the data is like this, something in a tables in a CSV file. Okay. So on this it works. Okay. We utilize the machine learning algorithm. This is how the you can understand. Now let's understand first NLP a bit. So whenever you need to work with a text data or the speech data, so there we will use NLP approaches. So text data has mean, let us suppose I wrote here I like. Now after that what sentence it could be? There could be the multiple possibilities, right? It could be like you like it could be the full stop, it could be the ice cream or anything. So what should be the next word prediction that you'll have to apply it from the NLP? Speech recognition, you guys have seen or used Alexa or the Google Assistant, Siri. There are multiple speech recognitions are there, so those all used in that. So if I will show you something, you guys might have used it even. If I'll show here the this Bing. So this is one of the NLP products. So if I will write here, create a image of a person in space, yeah, wearing mask, and if I will do this, it will create the image, and you will see that how it will work. See, it has written the prompt. I'll try to create that. So when I will start the LLM series, there you will find it out all this. I will cover that how we can perform on that. So it is just loading, it will generate. Mm, you can see these are the image it has generated. See, so this is how, and you can see it will write here powered by DALE. DALE is a model which uses the text and the images both. So these are now again advanced. We will not go, but just to show that what NLP is and the power of NLP. Okay. And whenever you have to deal with images and the images and videos, At that point of time, we need the computer vision model. So in that DALE which we saw just now, that is also in that the computer vision models are there. But I'll show you a very simpler example. Let me show you a very simple example. If you will see this here, see, this is the image of cat. It is going here, and now it will see what it will predict here. Let me open the GIF here. See, why it is getting stuck.